Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you that how to add splash screen to Flutter Android app. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. First of all, on the left side of Android Studio you will find this project tree, and in this project tree you have to locate the folder drawable. Now you can find this folder here, and there will be one XML file. Double click on it and you will see this code. Now by default Flutter Android app have white splash screen, and it is because of the first line which you can see right here. Now let me stop my app and rebuild it from scratch so that you can see the splash screen, and currently it is a white screen. Now we will be changing this white screen to a custom splash screen. If you want to remove the white color, then you can remove it from the first line. You can comment the first line and the white background color will disappear. Now if you want to use a custom image for the splash screen, you can use it by removing the commented sign from these lines, and once it's commented out you can see here in this line your image. Here there will be something IC launcher, some text here, so you have to replace this text with your image name. But first you have to import your image in these directories right here in all sizes so that your splash screen appear good in all devices. Now I will be using this simple splash screen for learning purpose. You can make any splash screen and you can use any splash screen here. Now my image name is BMI start screen, and I will be putting this name here without extension. If you put extension it will not work, so better to put it without extension. Now when I rebuild my app you will see that there will be the splash screen appear here. Once you click the stop button and then click the play button, wait for few seconds, and once your app start you will see your splash screen appear. As you can see mine appear and it's work perfectly fine. I hope you liked the video, and if you like the video you can also subscribe to my channel, it's free. And if you have any issue regarding splash screen then you can comment down below, I will help you with that. Now thank you guys, thanks for watching.